Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the new lesson. In this lesson, we will talk about the effect of herbicides on people. Herbicides are poisonous chemicals that are used to kill unwanted plants and are considered to be a type of pesticide. They are frequently used around the home and farm and represent a serious health hazard to adults, but they are especially hazardous to children and pets. Types. Herbicides are commonly found as liquids or powders and are sometimes pre-mixed into fertilizer products. Herbicides are classified according to the types of plant that they affect. Broad-spectrum herbicides will kill any plant on which they are applied, while selective herbicides are designed to target only certain types of plants. Contact herbicides affect only the part of plant that the chemical touches, while systemic herbicides are designed to be drawn up into the plant through its root or absorbed through its leaves and stems. Systemic herbicides kill the entire plant. Although many modern herbicides are less toxic than their predecessors, they are still poisons and should always be handled with caution. Skin irritations and allergic reactions. According to the University of Missouri, herbicides are designed to be toxic to plants but in general are not highly toxic to mammals. Skin irritations are some of the most common effects when a person comes into contact with herbicides and are most likely to happen on exposed areas such as hands and forearms. Some chemicals may burn the skin and should be washed off immediately with cold water. यहाँ पे यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मिसूरी का ये पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है कि जो हर्बिसाइड्स हैं वो इस तरह से डिज़ाइन किए जाते हैं कि दे आर ओनली टॉक्सिक टू प्लांट बट दे आर नॉट टॉक्सिक टू मैमल्स। और सेकेंडली उनका ये कहना है कि ये द मोस्ट कॉमन जो रिएक्शन है हर्बिसाइड्स का वो है स्किन इरिटेशन, और स्किन इरिटेशंस भी अकॉर्डिंग टू दैम उन एरियाज़ पर होती है जो कि एक्सपोज होते हैं। यहाँ पे उन्होंने बताया हुआ है फॉर एग्जांपल हैंड्स या फिर फोर आर्म्स के ऊपर। अब अगर कांटेक्ट हो जाता है हर्बिसाइड के साथ या फिर जो हर्बिसाइड है वो कोई स्किन बर्न कॉज कर देती है, तो उस केस में क्या करना चाहिए कि इमीडिएटली कोल्ड वाटर के साथ जो है वो वॉश कर देना चाहिए उन एरियाज़ को जहाँ पे हर्बिसाइड का कांटेक्ट हुआ है। The Department of Veterans Affairs confirmed that chloroquine, a form of acne, is associated with exposure to Agent Orange. It can be mild or severe and last up to several years. In severe cases, the skin may thicken and flake off. During the Vietnam War, the US military sprayed millions of gallons of the herbicide Agent Orange between 1961 and 1971 in an attempt to defoliate trees in the jungle and deprive the enemy of food and cover. Cancers. The Department of Veterans Affairs acknowledges that the herbicide Agent Orange is responsible for a wide range of health problems in Vietnam veterans, including several types of cancers. The National Academy of Science concluded that there was a positive correlation between the incidence of Hodgkin disease, a cancer of lymph system, and exposure to the herbicide Agent Orange. The VA also notes that non-Hodgkin lymphoma is also associated with exposure to the defoliant. Herbicides are also suspected as cause of prostate cancer, cancers of lungs and bronchial tubes, and cancers of larynx and trachea. Nervous system disorders. Some herbicides can cause nervous system disorders such as peripheral neuropathy. The early symptoms of this disease include numbness and tingling in the toes and fingers, gradually spreading to include the hands and feet. Pain may be present, as well as muscle weakness and sensitivity to touch. Acute peripheral neuropathy occurs within a few weeks of being exposed. The VA cites peripheral neuropathy as another symptom of exposure to Agent Orange. Effect on children. Children and infants are at high risk for illness from herbicides than adults, according to the EPA, because children are still developing, their systems are less able to protect them from damage from herbicides. Children are also more likely to play in areas that expose them to chemicals such as rolling on the floor or lawn. Mild exposure can result in complaints of dizziness and nausea, but herbicides may also cause neurological and developmental damage to children. Pets. Pets can be poisoned by herbicide by coming into contact with the chemicals when they are outside, but herbicides kept in the home may also be a problem if they are stored where pets can get to them. Pets can ingest herbicides by chewing or plants or toys that have been contaminated or when they lick themselves after coming into contact with the chemical. Animals that bring herbicides into the house may spread the chemicals around the home and leave residue on furniture and carpets. यानी कि ना सिर्फ पेट्स जो हैं वो खुद इफ़ेक्ट होते हैं हर्बिसाइड से बल्कि हर्बिसाइड के स्प्रेड का भी एक जरिया बनते हैं. Here this lesson is ended. In the coming lessons we will discuss the remaining content of this course. Thank you.